Hey traders, it's 33 minutes past 11 a.m. here in Brisbane on Monday, the 16th of October, and I wanted to update you on my fight with Euro Aussie. So let's go back into the area that I was looking at in the fight card. So I was looking at this blue line of mine and I was looking for a nice compressions of price, but as you can see from when I did the video, what the market has done was pushing lower and it came back into that area. So I like that. I don't mind the fact that we came from low and pushed very strongly and got stuck at that level. From here, it basically tells me there was a lot of buyers that sit in here and were able to bring the price back into my offense line. But what happened afterwards is we just went sideways with another push lower. So there was no compressions of price around this area. There were no build up of buyers. From here, the market basically just broke up and closed above that area. So we move from low all the way to break that level. So again, no compressions of price. So in a case like this, what I'm looking for is a pullback into the level, see what the sellers around this area have, and then look if I can take it on the way out. So that is the nice thing about this setup. This is the good part. Now let's take a look at the bad and the ugly. So if we'll take a look at the mid time frame, then we can see that we're just going sideways here. So we pull back to test that level from above and pushed up. So far it looks nice. Then we had another pull back into that area and push back. Now in here it's all right. We're just slightly, ever so slightly higher than this previous high, but we can see we here try to go higher and got rejected. Now it's interesting to note that this high, it does look as if it's a little bit higher than the previous one over here, but the thing is, this is the Monday morning opening candle, which means there's a wider spread at that time. So I went ahead and had a look at the buy price and the sell price, so the bid and the ask, and there's a very big difference between them, which tell me that this is just the mid price. So it's not really a place that the market has traded at. So I can't really rely on the fact that it just pinged that high to be confident that there are a lot of buyers at this area. So if we go down into the 1 hour, we can see that the market is struggling around this area. So for a potential striking opportunity, I would like to see a proper pullback. There's a lot of activity around that area, and as we can see, there's a lot of sideways going on right now. So not a clear decision on a winner between the buyers and the sellers. So what I would like to see before I start striking around my offense area, I'd like to see what the seller got. So I want to see some strong reaction from the seller, and hopefully that will be met with a strong reaction from the buyers. That will give me confidence that whatever is sitting here can be overcome. So to summarize, I haven't started my strike on this opponent because the move from here moved from very low. So it looks like a waste of momentum. I like to have compressions of price. So I'm altering my fighting plan to look for a pullback, a proper pullback inside the level, and look for taking this move on the way out. Happy knockouts, everyone. Bye for now.